Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the JCW front lip on the R60 Mini Cooper Countryman. This will be also similar on the Paceman and probably on the regular Cooper S. Here I'm going to show you, just note the mounting holes because you're unique to know this. The clips in the front, and then in the back there are these rivets, the plastic fasteners. Overall, the install isn't too bad. It's not too hard as long as you have the proper tools and some patience. Alright, so when you purchase the lip, where I got it from the dealership, it comes in this little brown lunch sandwich lunch bag. Let's just put it in front of my car to see how it looks like. Alright, so first you're going to need a 10mm socket. I'm going to remove this one screw here. Then gently use a pry tool to pry off the inner fender liner. Just take your time with it. Don't break anything, don't rip it, because it is a soft fabric material. It's going to be pretty dusty as well, so you may want to wear a mask. Next, you're going to want to slowly wiggle out the side plastic fenders, just like this. And then remove one of the screws here on the bottom. Okay, just like that. And then note the plastic rivets, and it's held on there. You can't really get it off until you remove all the rivets. Once that's all done, you're going to use a flathead screwdriver and slowly pop out each clip on the bottom. Just take your time with it, be patient, don't break anything. Just kind of wiggle it every once in a while once you unhinge one of the clips. And you can do that all the way across the front bumper. Again, take your time and be gentle with it. Don't break anything. So once you get the bumper off, you're going to need to remove the two splash guards on the side. Again, they're held on by these rubber rivets, and you got to slowly pry them out. Again, be careful. Don't break anything. Once you removed it, you're going to transfer those to the JCW front lip. Same process. Once those are in, you're going to bring the bumper back to your car, align the clips. Take your time with it, don't break any of the clips. Once everything is lined, you can start popping them in. Just use a little bit of pressure and push it in. Once you know it's aligned, you can give it a little bit of a punch just to make sure the clips are securely in place. Then you can put the screws that you originally removed back on. There's the two on the both sides. Then, last but not least, for the rivets, I ended up using a mallet to put them back into place. And that's it, you're done. Wasn't too bad to install. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.